If you've been looking for a way to reclaim your counter space without sacrificing the ability to cook a gourmet meal, the Chef IQ Mini Oven is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. This isn't just a toaster oven. It's a precision-engineered 11-in-1 cooking powerhouse that replaces your air fryer, dehydrator, roaster, and convection oven, all in one sleek, sophisticated black unit. The brilliance of this machine is how it bridges the gap between professional-grade performance and one-touch simplicity. Whether you're a culinary expert or someone who just wants dinner on the table in record time, this oven works for you. Here's why it is changing the game. 11-in-1 versatility. From air-frying crispy wings to dehydrating fruits and slow-roasting delicate meats, this machine handles everything. It hits a powerful 1750W, ensuring it reaches high temperatures fast, so you spend less time preheating and more time eating. The smart touchscreen. Gone are the days of guessing temperatures and times. The intuitive touchscreen interface guides you through the process, making complex cooking methods feel incredibly easy. Massive capacity. With 25 quarts of space, it's the perfect size for a family meal. You can easily roast a whole chicken, bake a pizza, or toast a whole batch of sandwiches without the many limitations of smaller, cheaper air fryers. Masterful convection. The internal convection system circulates air with clinical precision, giving you perfectly even browning and crispiness every single time. No more burnt edges or undercooked centers. It's built for the modern lifestyle where time is precious, but the quality of your food is non-negotiable. It looks stunning on any countertop, and it's robust enough to become the most used appliance in your home. If you're finally ready to streamline your kitchen and master every cooking technique with a single smart device, you can find the best price for the Chef IQ Mini Oven by clicking the link below.